The Maestro RR2 can be flashed with either the Weblink desktop application for PC and Mac computers using the supplied USB cable, or wirelessly via Bluetooth using the Weblink Maestro application for Android and iOS devices. In this tutorial, we will go through the steps for programming the Maestro RR2 using the Weblink Maestro application for mobile devices. Start by downloading the application. Go to the App Store on your mobile device and search for Weblink Maestro. Once it has been installed on the device, open the application and log in using your existing Weblink credentials. If you do not have a Weblink account, you can click on the link below and create one. Before you can begin flashing, the Maestro module must be connected to power. There are two ways of providing power to the module. The first is using the supplied USB cable along with any standard USB wall charger. The second option is by installing it into the vehicle using the T-harness. Only the larger 3-pin power plug needs to be connected to the Maestro RR2. The remaining connections should be made after flashing is complete and you have the installation guide. Once the module is powered on, press and hold the programming button for 5 seconds to place it into discovery mode. You will have 60 seconds to connect your mobile device to the Maestro RR2. The top LED on the module will repeatedly blink green 3 times to signal that it is in discovery mode. If 60 seconds has passed, simply press the programming button for 5 seconds to reinitiate discovery mode. Open the Weblink Maestro application and it will begin searching for available devices. You will see the Maestro module and its serial number displayed. Select it to begin the programming process. At the top of the screen, you will see Main Device and Embedded Device. Select Embedded Device and make sure it is up to date. If it is not running the current version, it will say Update. If it has the current version, Reflash will be displayed. Now return to Main Device and select Flash by Vehicle. Enter the year, make, and model of the vehicle. Select the steering wheel configuration. Next, select the make of the aftermarket radio and you will see a list of available models. You can filter the model list by entering the model number of the radio in the top search bar. If you are installing a Maestro-compatible radio, you will now be prompted to enter the radio serial number. Next, select the recommended firmware for your vehicle. You will now see the required and optional accessories for your vehicle. Choose the installation harness or dash kit that you are using. The Optional Accessories tab will provide a list of optional harnesses and adapters for your vehicle. If you are integrating one of the compatible radar detectors, select it from the Others menu. Once you have selected the accessories you are using, press Continue. In the next step, you will configure the added and retained features. Any feature can be turned on and off from this step. For example, if you are installing an aftermarket amplifier, be sure to turn off the factory amplifier option. Once you have finished, press Continue to go to the next step. In this step, you will configure your steering wheel commands. There will be a default configuration preloaded, but you can change any of these commands by selecting the button and choosing a new command from the list. Once the steering wheel has been configured, press Continue. The programming process is now complete and you are ready to flash the module. Before flashing, you can review and edit any of the programming steps. If you are satisfied with the configuration, press the flash button and upload it to the module. Depending on your mobile device and internet speed, this process can take some time to complete. Once flashing is complete, you can now view the installation guide and wallet card for printing. If you are not set up to print from your mobile device, simply email the install guide and wallet card and print them from a computer. After installation is complete, you can modify the configuration or update the firmware from your mobile device at any time. To do this, simply turn on the vehicle with the Weblink Maestro application open on your mobile device. If this is the first time pairing your mobile device, you will have 60 seconds to make the connection. If 60 seconds has passed, just turn the car off and back on to reinitiate discovery mode. If the mobile device was previously paired, it will automatically connect when the vehicle is turned on. Once your device is connected, you can make any changes to the configuration or update to the latest firmware for your vehicle. There are a few things that can prevent the update from completing. If the vehicle is in drive gear or in motion, you will get an error message at the end of the flashing process. You will also get an error message if the key is switched off at any time during flashing. If you want to prevent any other mobile devices from pairing to the module, select the menu button in the upper right-hand corner and enable Block New Connections. With this turned on, only your mobile device can be paired. If you no longer have access to this device, you can reset the Maestro RR2 by watching the video linked in the description below. For more information on iDataLink Maestro products, visit www.idatalinkmaestro.com.